Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you my favorite 5 camera tips for your OPPO A38. Okay, so first of all, you can take the photos by using the volume buttons. So you've got the volume down or volume up buttons. Next, you can also zoom in and zoom out by using the presets. That's very obvious, but when you are going to click and hold with your finger, you will unlock this slider, and thanks to the slider you can do this definitely more smoother. Next, you can also click on the screen to adjust the brightness level, so we can decrease or increase the brightness. And when you swipe up like that, you will be able to unlock this high resolution mode, so we can take photos with the 50 megapixel mode. That's how it looks, as you can see. And right here we've got also the camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. As you can see, the photo was taken. And when you click right here, you can also add some filters. They change the color and the temperature on the photos. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.